Good day to all. After Reliance AGM, it's almost certain that they are coming up with the IPO for Jio Platform. So today I will cover the all aspect of Jio Platform. So ये एपिसोड आपका 3 पार्ट में रहने वाला है. In first part I will cover the company overview. In second part अभी existing shareholding patterns क्या है before IPO. And in third part, I will do some data comparison with global peers. In other countries, how the global players data in terms of profitability, PE, market share, subscriber, where Jio platform stands and how they are different than others. So let's start. Reliance has already applied for Jio Platforms IPO. They had filed its DRHP with SEBI, and now all depends on the approvals when this IPO will come. Then later they will announce the date and other details. So first let me explain you about the Jio platform. Okay, now everything is under Reliance, but exactly which are the subsidiaries or which are the units will come under Jio platform after IPO. So the first is Reliance Jio Telecom business. This will come under Jio platform. The second is Jio Fiber. Third is Enterprise Solutions. They are providing, that will also come under this Jio platform. The fourth is cloud services. All the cloud services they will provide or they are providing. As you know, recently they had an agreement with Google for making data center also. So this data center operation will also come under Jio platform. Other than that, AI initiative. Just few weeks ago, Reliance had done a big announcement about AI initiatives. So all the AI initiatives will also come under Jio platform. So all these 6-7 kind of activities they will do, all will come under Jio platform. So it's a little bit futuristic. In future, as we know, the need of data center, AI, cloud services, enterprise solution, Jio Fiber for residential and commercial, all these things going in big demand. Other than all these things, digital app ecosystem also will come under this. So any digitalization they will do to any other company or in Reliance, that would be done by the Jio platform. If I give you a little bit data point, the currently almost 500 million subscribers are under Jio. Jio serving them, and it's around 60% of Indian mobile data traffic. So they are the market leaders in Indian telecom market. Now let's try to understand the shareholding pattern before IPO in Jio platform. So currently 66.43% of share is under Reliance. So Reliance is holding the major stake in Jio platform. Then after Meta platforms, they had invested and they had acquired almost 10% of stake. Same time, Google is holding almost 7.7% of stake, and the remaining stake is held by other private equity holders and strategic investors. As we heard 2, 3, 4 years back, the BlackRock and some other foreign institutional investors through private equity, they invested in Jio platform. So all those comes under this balance segment. Same time, if I give you a little bit insight that whatever fund raised from here, how Reliance or Jio platform will utilize that. So major portion of this IPO fundraise will be used for debt repayment. Then some they will do for related corporate purposes, acquiring the assets for stocks. So all these kind of activity they will use fund in. Now the third section, if I talk about their global peers, although talk is around about the higher valuation of Jio platform. So that's why I got this data where you can compare Jio with their other peers who are playing globally. If I talk about China Mobile, their market cap is somewhere around $225 billion. Their revenue is around $148 billion, and their net profit is somewhere around $19 billion. Their PE is 11. If I talk about T-Mobile, they are the biggest player in US. Their market cap is somewhere around $197 billion. Revenue is around 91, and their net profit is around $10 billion. Their PE is also around 16, 17. The third, Verizon, their market cap is somewhere around $189 billion, and their revenue is around $139 billion, and net profit is somewhere around 17 billion. If I talk about their PE, it's around 9, 10. Now the third biggest player, AT&T, their market capitalization is somewhere around $153 billion. Same time, their revenue is $127 billion, and the profit is around $21 billion. PE is around 12. Now, if we compare all these players with Jio Platform market capitalization is somewhere around $148 billion as of now. Revenue is just 15.8 billion. So if you compare with the other peers, not lower, there is a substantial gap between Jio Platform and other key players. If I talk about the net profit, Jio Platform's net profit is 3.2 billion only. Now the key data, PE. If I talk about PE, Jio Platform's PE is 46, way high than all their other peers. Now the last in the list is Bharti Airtel. If I talk about Bharti Airtel, they are the Indian player only. Their market cap is around 123 billion and their revenue is 22 billion, profit 2.8, in line with Jio Platform. It's nearby only. And if I talk about Bharti PE, that's also around 43, 44. So if I talk about Indian telecom players PE, it's somewhere around same 43, 46, and they are on the high valuation side compared to the other telecom players globally. Now on this, Reliance has justification. What they are saying that the other global players, they are only in telecom sector, but our business model is different. We are not only in telecom. We are eyeing on digital platform, data center, AI, enterprise solutions, fiber network. So all these services we will provide, which makes us more valuable, and that's why our valuation on the higher side. Now how this is justified, more data and more write-ups will come out definitely, so we can analyze how these things settle. So overall we can conclude that this Jio IPO, of course, it's on very high valuation. Now let's see what the final price band is, still that will come in the public soon, then only we can see, but of course it's going to be on the higher valuation. So for all the investors who are planning for the short term or the IPO listing gain, they need to be careful. If you have a longer horizon like 3 to 5 year, 5 to 7 year, 7 to 10 year, then definitely it's a good bet. But for shorter versions, definitely you need to be cautious and get more data points, analyze all the prospectus, whatever information is out on Jio Platform, and then you can take a call. For more informative and educational video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Same time, press the bell icon. So whenever I'm putting some video, you will get the notification. By the time I come with the next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.